Hello everyone, welcome back to my world of video editing software. On my channel I do talk quite a lot about Magic's Movie Studio Editor, which is really good obviously, but today I want to run through with you a free editing software which is built into Windows 11 and some Windows 10 systems. If you don't know whether you've got it or not, just click in search and type in Clipchamp, okay, and that's it there. Video editing software. It's the upgrade from the old Windows video editing thing that used to have, the Movie Maker I think it was called. So this is it here. Now you have to excuse me because I do have a dry throat, but this is it here. So let's get it opened up and have a look at it. So I've clicked on it and I've opened it up and it'll just start up. Okay, so this is your user interface. These are some of the videos that I've done with it. So as you can see, you can record the screen and the camera at the same time, which I'll go through with you now. So what you want to do is to click on create new movie or create new video, and this user face will open up. Now you can import their media like videos and things straight into the timeline down here like you would normally do in any editing software suite, and here's all your effects, filters and things like that on the right hand side. But what we want to go through with you today is to click on record and create. Now this is what I was showing you earlier on. You can record the screen and the camera at the same time, and you would, what it would do this. Let me just click on play. So you can see it's recording my camera there and what I'm doing on the screen at the same time. So that's the camera and screen recording. So this is just basically if you wanted to do tutorials. You could just do the camera itself. So you could click on the camera and it would record the camera. Well, it would do if my camera was connected. Sorry about that. I'm not using the camera today, so my camera's turned off. But that would record the camera for you. So you could use it for vlogging or something like that. This would record the whole screen, or you could just record the audio, or you could record text to speech. So let's click on screen. Okay. Now what you will do when you click on record screen or record screen and camera, you'll see this here. So you just click on record. Choose what you want, either the window or the entire screen. For this tutorial I'm going to do the entire screen, so click on the entire screen, click on the image that you see there, and if you want to record the system audio as well, turn that on. Okay, and then click share. Once you've clicked share, you'll see this screen here. It looks scary, doesn't it? But it's not. It's dead easy. All you do is you click on hide this here, click on hide there, and click on minimize, and now what it will do, it will record everything that you do on this screen. So if you want to do the tutorials, this on-screen tutorials and things like that, it's really good. This software is really good for this kind of thing. There are others as well, which is like which is what I'm using today to do this with, which is Nero Screen Recorder, but obviously you have to pay for that. So this is completely free. So it will record everything that you do on the computer. So once it's recorded everything, just click back on once you've finished doing everything that you want to do on here, just click back on Clipchamp and click stop. See this screen here. It looks scary, doesn't it? But it's not. It's dead easy. All you do is you click on hide this here, click on hide there, click on save and edit, and then it will now put it into your video timeline, editing timeline, as if you would do if you just drag media into there. So this is what it's recorded that we've just done. So let's click on play. Everything that you do on this screen. So if you want to do so that's what it's done. It's now recorded the screen. If you was recording the camera as well, you would have two tracks. So you'd have your camera track there, and you'd have your video or your screen track here. You can click on each track. So if you was to click on your camera one, pretend this was your camera, you could highlight it. And you could drag this down here, for example. Pretend this is your camera, okay? And you could put your camera wherever you want it to on the screen, okay? So that's your camera. And what you've also got on here, you can turn the audio up and down. So let's play that and just mess about with the audio. And now what it will record everything that you do on this screen. So if you want to do so that's the audio. You can fade it in and fade it out. So if you click on it, make sure it's highlighted. You'll know it's highlighted when it's in purple. You can click on fade in and out, give it as much fade as you want. Fade in, fade out. Okay, that's that done. To cut, you would do what you would normally do. Just bring the marker to where you want to cut it, like that, and then just click on cut, which is the scissors here. Then you would just click on cut. Then you would highlight it. You know it's highlighted because it'll be in purple. Then you can delete it if you don't want it. I'm just going to click undo. So you've also got your fade, like I said. You've got filters in here, so you've got lots of filters that you can play with. Just click on it, and it'll open up all the filters. Okay, you've also got effects inside here. Lots of different effects, blur, black and white, all that kind of stuff. You've got adjust colours, so you can adjust the colours. Don't forget this is free of charge. You've also got speed, so you can speed the video up and or speed it down. And on this side you've got other functions as well. So you could click on content library and it will give you all kinds of stuff like images to add to your videos and things like that. So you can click on visuals. You can also click on audio, and you can click on this is all the audio that you can have free of charge. If you click on the Clipchamp selects like that and then click on see all, these are all the audio tracks that you can use free of charge. Now anything that you see with gold square inside, obviously is pro and you will need to subscribe for them, but pretty much everything else here is free. So you just click on add and it will drag the add the audio into your video. And if you want to just make that the same length as your actual video, just put the marker to the end like that, highlight the audio, click scissors, and then just click on there and then delete it. So that's now the same. You can also fade in and out your audio, so click on fade, fade in, fade out. Okay, you can add text, so if you want to click on text, there's lots. You can add ordinary text here, or you can add any of these down here, all free of charge, like that one for example, this one here. So what I'll do, I'll add this one, and I'll put it about there. So I'll add this one. Okay, so once you've done that, you just click on there, click on the text at the top on the right hand side, change the text that's inside this box, like that for example. You can drag the text, you can make it any size you want, any colour. So there's your size, there's all your different colours in. You can put it where you want it to on the screen, or you can literally just drag it to put it where you want it to on the screen. I'm going to change that colour to black, to primary colour. So if you click on there, change it to black, and that's it. You can also fade the text in and out if you wanted to. Let's do that, about there, about there. So when you play that back now, tutorials and things like that, it's really good. This software is really good for this kind of thing. There are others as well, like right. Also, what you can do with the audio, again, you can click on audio, and you can drag the music level volume right down. So if you play it again, it's really good. This software is really good for this kind of thing. You can drag it down even more if you wanted it to. It's about there. And things like that. It's really good. This software is really good for this kind of thing. There are others as well, which is like, and that's it. Now I think you'll agree, considering it's free of charge, it's pretty good. So once you've finished it, you want to export it. You just click. It's dead easy. Just click on export. You can export to 4K, but you will need to upgrade for that. You can click to 1080p, 720 or 480, all free of charge. All you do is click on whichever one you want. I'm going to click on 1080. And what that will do, it will export it and it will download it into your downloads folder on your PC. So that's now downloaded, and as you can see, it's gone to the downloads folder. You can now close Clipchamp, go to your downloads folder, click on the downloads, and there it is. It will say untitled video made with Clipchamp. So we're going to double click that and play it. See this screen here. It looks scary, doesn't it? But it's not. It's dead easy. All you do is you click on hide this here, click on hide there, and click on minimize. And now what? So I think you will agree, considering it's free of charge, that's pretty good software. So that's a free editing suite if you like to edit your videos. And if you found it useful, please click on subscribe for some more video editing tips and tricks. And thank you for watching. See you later.